Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be throwing people with shotguns. So let's start people.
Every time. Green. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all can both join, but promise not to steal my stuff.
I'm not gonna steal, Bo.
No,
Why
Green,
do
you join
think
me. Green, you join me. Oh, gotta join Green. I have so many people
Okay.
added.
Where are you?
Yo.
Hey, bro, watch this.
Bro! What the? Bro! What did you do? Oh, my eyes! What the heck? What the heck?
Getting stronger. Every
Oh shit! Oh shit! Bro! I have no ammo. It's alright. Let's get out.
Hey, bad boy. Bad boy.
Oh
bad boy. Bad boy, white. Bad boy.
Okay. Okay, that was close. That was close. Okay, let's go to the next.
Oh, the meat! Do you know the incident where I Show Speed was playing Finance and Freddy's Security Breach, and after he got jump scared by Chica, he showed his meat?
Whoa, yeah. Oh!
Everybody, join code YT11 for over 1 million nuts. Join code YT11 for over 1 million nuts. Code
Haha, bro!
YT11.
Ha.
YT11 for over 1 million nuts.
Bro.
YT11?
Oh my god.
Oh sh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Canceled, guys. You guys are too ugly. The code is canceled. Hey, can anybody give me an RPG? Guys, I like eating fridges. Stop right there, sir! Get over here! Oh yeah? Yup, down.
Were you the guy?
I can't.
Yeah. Yeah, die. That's what you get.
I'm not.
Oh!
Can you buy me an RPG?
I'm a small target, aren't I? Smaller hitbox.
How about this for a change?
Bro! He literally killed me.
I'm not.
And he did not even see me.
Bro, why you keep killing me?
I'm the most.
Can you stop killing me, please?
Yeah, bro, I'm your teammate, 100%, 100%.
Why you keep killing me? Give me your RPG.
I'm not giving you any RPG. Because I take people.
Bro!
Tom.
Bro! Bro, my ammo! I have no ammo on it!
I am literally.
Yeah, you're speed. Yeah, you're speed, yeah. Yeah, you're speed. Yeah, you're probably speed, yeah.
I'm speeding on RPG.
Oh! Oh, bro! Come here. Bro, come here.
Look at my Mexican.
Bro, come here. Yo, Green! Green! Take. Who wants this shotgun for free? Yeah. Oh, let me revive you. Oh! Oh shit! Oh no! Bro!
Give me an
No,
RPG.
bro!
I want an RPG, please. Can I please have an RPG? Give me one. Help me!
Yeah, help him! Yeah, help him, bro! Yeah, help him!
Baby!
You're right, man.
Oh!
Baby! Help me!
Okay, take this shotgun. Take this one.
Help me!
Bro!
Maybe I'm
What
not
the
speed.
heck?
You're right.
Save me! Save me!
Bro!
Help me!
I was going to help you, but this guy keeps on killing me.
Why? Oh my gosh.
I will!
Can somebody give me an RPG?
Wow, 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 wow.
Hey, somebody give me RPG.
Yo, yellow. I have a gift for you. Take this. This is for you. Bro.
Swords. They were mine.
Bro, what the heck?
That's mine. That's my favorite.
Oh, that's it. They were playing that. I'll play like that as well.
Bro, here. Pull me.
Hey, after all I did, I gave you those horses. Even though I threw them in the desert.
Bro.
You're gonna just punch me? Nah.
Guys, I'm getting a good person.
Revive me! I was being a good person!
Oh, hen.
Revive me!
Bro, nobody's going to revive you.
Let me just...
Shit.
He's got the golden gun! Stop him! He's got the water tower! He's got the gun!
Bro, there's...
Can I get my RPG?
Over there. Water tower. Shoot it down.
Someone give me RPG ammo.
Can somebody give me RPG?
Go!
Somebody give me RPG ammo?
Don't let me stick with you.
Oh.
Hey, dude!
No, Green, I have a surprise for you. Take this. Bro, let me take the RPG. Why? You're making me spend so much money
Razzie.
by buying these.
Even though I don't even care about it, I just stole it from me. Okay, where's the guy who wanted RPG ammo?
Right here.
You want two? There you go.
That's what you get. Yeah, that's what you get. King.
I also got a revolver.
Can you buy me?
Oh. Stop kidding me.
Somebody stole my RPG
Who
ammo.
wants a golden revolver?
A giant purple grappler.
No, a giant purple revolver.
Bro, I killed you. Why did you kill me? Why? Why did you activate that?
Can you get me a golden one?
Oh yeah, sure. I just stole one from a dude.
Or just said snatch. That's mine. I do that all the time.
Bro, where is this guy? Where is this guy?
That one. That
But the
giant
small one.
Wait, who's trading the
You can't have my giant blue
trading
one.
the grappler?
Can you please give me
Wait. Where are you going? Yeah, bye. Yeah, go there. Go inside. Yeah.
Stop it! No,
Are you trading
stop
a gold
it!
grappler?
He's trying to. You're getting banned.
You can have this one instead.
Bro, Green. Take this. Take this. Green. I won't kill you. I promise. Take this. Take my shotgun. Yo, Green. Take my shotgun. I guess. Oh! You stupid frog.
Hey, bro.
Dude, where the hell is the one I just picked up?
Can I have RPG ammo?
Okay, bro.
No.
Stop begging.
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah, that's what you got. Yeah. Give me RPG. Oh.
Someone, take me in my body. Take me in my body.
Yo, where are you? Oh. Bro, let's not do it. Bro, let's not do it. Let's not do it. No. Let's
Dude, why are you trying to do that?
Can I kill kids with you?
Oh, my bad, bro. You're right. I
I'll
can't
give you
give it
this.
to you.
Give me my duck. Can I kill kids with you?
Bro, take this Green. Green, take this shotgun. I promise you. Take it. I don't need it. Green, take it.
Hunt this.
Who wants this for free?
Bro.
Who wants this for free?
Bro.
No.
I'm the magic. I'm the magic. I'm the magic. I'm the magic.
These kids are hacking. They're not even.
I'm about to give Dark Red something. Now, let me put this in my stash.
With you, my big boo.
Free egg. Yeah.
I know he was doing my big boo.
Whoa.
Medic. I'm the medic.
Dark Red, add me. I'll accept
Okay, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.